Yeah, Loyola High School has achieved 100% result this year, and this is the third consecutive year we have been securing 100%. Total number of students that appeared for the exam were 148, and distinctions we have 66, first class 51, second class 28, and pass class 3 students. The pass percentage is 100%. And our rankers for this year are first Shravan Fatte, who has secured 93.5%. The second is Fraser Jesus Vaz, who has secured 92.83%. And in the third place we have Lyndon Barbosa Barreto, who has secured again 92.3%. We congratulate all our students for achieving this great success for the school and also for achieving this 100% results.